Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to learn English from the very beginning and speak with confidence, you are in the right place. Today, I'm announcing something very special for every English learner. Most beginners struggle with the same things. You know some words, but you don't know how to make sentences. You understand English in your mind, but you can't speak fluently. And sometimes you feel nervous, stuck, or confused even in simple conversations. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. And this new series is made exactly for you. I'm starting a complete beginner English speaking series. This series will guide you step by step from the absolute basics to real world conversations. You will learn polite English for daily life, how to introduce yourself confidently, how to talk about your hobbies, likes, and dislikes, how to ask questions correctly and naturally, how to order food, shop, ask for directions, and use public transport, how to communicate in difficult situations like emergencies and hotel requests. Each lesson builds on the previous one. So, if you follow the series in order, your English will improve naturally and confidently. By the end of this series, you will be able to start conversation fearlessly, speak politely and naturally, handle travel and daily life situations in English, and most importantly, express your thoughts clearly. This is not just grammar. This is English for real life. So get ready. Lesson 1 of the series, Essential Polite Phrases, is coming next. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and watch every lesson in order for the best results. And one more thing, if you have any questions or doubts about English, feel free to ask in the comments. I will reply and clear every confusion so you never feel stuck again. Let's learn, grow, and speak confidently together. I will see you soon.